In today's video, again, I am responding to someone's question in the comment section. Reading the person's question, it goes like this. Why choose Australia instead of the UK? I am genuinely curious. Okay, I am a Nigerian doctor currently in Australia. Before I moved to Australia, I was actually in Saudi Arabia. So I was born and trained in Nigeria. I practiced for a few years, then moved to Saudi Arabia, practiced for a few years, and currently I'm in Australia. In both Nigeria and Saudi Arabia, where in Nigeria there are a lot of Nigerian medical doctors, it's Nigeria, and Saudi Arabia too, there are a lot of Nigerian medical doctors. The UK is the most popular route for most Nigerian medical doctors. Even if it's not going to be a permanent destination, it was seemingly the easiest route and least expensive to move to. So some will go there and settle down, some will go there and then move to other places, and it makes sense. Unfortunately, I happen not to be a crowd people. I don't do things because people are doing them. I didn't want to do that because I am not really a fan of the UK. I have quite a lot of guys there and we talk quite often. And the life and exposure there is not something that I really admired. And being that I was in Saudi Arabia where the pay was decent and I was quite comfortable, there was no pressure for me to want to move quickly. That's the first thing. The second thing is I have a family and I wouldn't want to go somewhere that would have to move again. It's not going to be easy for all of us. The children will need to start school and then not long after that we'll have to move somewhere because I'm not really happy with where I moved to and the rest. The same goes for my wife too. Maybe she had gotten a job and settling down and then I'll be like, we have to move. It doesn't make sense at all. So I had to stay and really think about where to move to. And Australia has been somewhere that I had always liked right from when I was a child. I was someone that grew up with cable. So I used to watch the Crocodile Dundee and other Australian shows. Then growing up, I played the guitar. So Hillsong used to be my guys. I had always liked Australia. Apart from the childhood bias and the musical bias, research, I have a few guys that are here in Australia and from my research too. The first thing is the medical experience in Australia seems to favor a very healthy work-life balance. You work hard, that's the truth, but they consider your welfare very well. The work hours are not as much as that of the UK, but it doesn't mean that you're not going to work, you still work. But there's that deliberate effort by the hospitals to make sure that you have a very healthy work-life balance. The second thing is that Australia to me is more family friendly. So this is somewhere that my family was going to enjoy, and it was a very huge factor for me. As I said earlier, I didn't want us to move somewhere that would have to be pressure to move elsewhere too. The third thing is that the pay to me is better than that of the UK. If not for housing cost here, you would be very comfortable. In fact, within the first few months of moving here, but the price of rentals really seeps quite a lot. But overall, the pay is a bit better than that of the UK. And long term, it suits you more as a doctor. Another thing I forgot to mention is the weather. The weather here is something that I believed I would adjust to properly. It's not too cold like the UK and Canada. It's not too hot like Saudi Arabia. And the UK has very crazy weather. It snows, rains almost every time. The weather can look depressing. It's not something that happens in Australia. The sky is blue. You wouldn't really appreciate these things, especially when you're in Nigeria. There are many things that are engaging your mind that you wouldn't have time for mental health issues. But here, they're very important. You see a blue sky like this, there's something it does to you. So the weather too was something I loved. And it's something that I'm very okay with. So far, so good. We're still waiting for summer. I heard it can be very hot. And being that I had been in a place that was very hot, I want to compare the very hotness of here versus the very hotness of Saudi Arabia and see how it goes. The UK has its advantages. So, first thing is, except for recently that there have been changes in policies and the rest, it's easier to get a job. It's easier to also get into training in the UK and specialize, which isn't really as straightforward in Australia. But in the long run, your mental health, your professional life, your family life, your social life, everything tends to, will I say, be better. So it was a personal preference for me based on these findings, and I decided to write the exams. It was quite expensive, and thankfully I got a job, and I am here. As at the time of shooting this video, I'm about 7 months, and I've settled in pretty quickly, and it's been good. So these are the reasons why I moved to Australia instead of the UK. I hope I answered your question. Not just the person that asked the question, but everyone that watched this and had the same question. If I did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're yet to subscribe and you love what I do, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.